Welcome to this Helium 10 KDP niche research tutorial. In this tutorial, I will walk you through 3-step process to find low competition KDP niche ideas really fast using Helium 10. In the first step, we will find potential niche ideas. In the second step, we will analyze the demand, and in the third step, we will check those keyword ideas or niche ideas for competition and overall revenue distribution. The very first step is go to Helium 10 and then go to products, black box. We will be applying very specific filters here inside the black box, and we will be doing niche research or product research using this black box tools, then the Cerebro, and finally we will be using this Chrome extension, and we will be using this Xray feature. First of all, go to Helium 10, then products, and then black box. The very first and most important step is choosing the right marketplace. If you want to do KDP niche research on Amazon.com, you should select here, or if you want to do niche search on different marketplace, you should select here. In my case, I want to stick with Amazon.com, so I will go ahead and apply my filters. Next step is to select your category. We will go here and then under books, you can click on this little arrow here, and here you can select the main category as a whole, or you can scroll down and select a subcategory like children books. You can even niche down or go deeper inside this category, but for now I am sticking with this children book category. The next filter would be price range. I want to search for books that are priced at least $9.99. Just for demonstration, I will be setting the max price for $20. Then the next important filter is the ASIN sales. I want to see 90 sales per month. It means the product or book should be making at least 3 sales per day to max 300 sales per month. I don't want to see very highly ranked products that are harder to compete with. Apply another filter, that is fulfillment by Amazon. I want to see only the books being fulfilled by Amazon. That means in the title I will be adding this keyword, that is workbook. You can also add a comma and write another keyword, but for now I am inputting only workbook. Then click on search. The idea is to find workbook ideas for kids. You can see there are overall 187 results, and we are seeing currently the first 50 of those. You can click on customize and select any other filters if you want to. You can also see the author, publisher, publication date, seller, etc. I have currently selected these: price, ASIN sales, reviews, language. I will uncheck this and uncheck this as well. Last year's sales, not necessary. I can see this first book looks appealing to me, that is sentence writing workbook. Let's open this on Amazon. So you can see a little arrow. When you hover over the book, you can click it and it will open in a new tab. To see the main or top keyword for this product, either go to this products and Cerebro right here, or you can go to the product page here on Amazon, and if you have this Helium 10 extension installed, you will see this bar here. You can click on the keywords. It will open this product right into Cerebro, and we can see there are 753 total keywords. Organic are 351, paid are 324. Here we will only apply a single filter, that is search volume. I want to see keywords with at least 1000 search volume per month. Click apply. Now here the very important step is this customize view. You only need to see search volume, sponsored rank, and organic rank. These keywords are ranked by organic rank, low to high. This is their main keyword, drawing sales to them. Search volume is 1312 and organic rank is 55. The second keyword is spelling workbook grade 2. Sponsored rank is 57. I'm not looking at the sponsored rank. I'm only interested in organic rank. So we have found 2 keywords: writing books for kids age 6 to 8, their number 1 keyword, and the second one is spelling workbook grade 2. I think this could be very good niche, spelling workbook grade 2. Here is the third and the last step, and that is checking this for competition. Click on this Chrome extension and then click on Xray Amazon product research button here. Helium 10 Xray is loading data, and it will take some time to fetch first page data. So here you need to apply 2 filters. The first one is hide sponsored products from result, and the second one fulfillment by Amazon. Here we can go to customize, and you can either select all, but for now you only need very few filters like ASIN, then recent purchases, ASIN sales, and then the ASIN revenue, BSR, and finally you need to see the reviews here. Search volume is 1540, total revenue is over 179,000, average revenue is 3745, average price is 10 10 and average BSR is 168,000. You can sort these by ASIN revenue and you can see these are the top books 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The revenue distribution is fairly good one because not one or two books taking away all the revenue. Most of the books are making good sales here. So you need to apply two filters here. The hide sponsored products from results and the second one fulfillment by Amazon. So these are really important because we want to see only the organic ranking products and we also want to see the self-published books on Amazon. Here you can see these filters. There are two books in top 10 that have less than 75 reviews and there are two books in the top 10 making over 5,000 per month. You can also see the ASIN sales during the last 30 days. To see the competition, you should also look at the number of reviews, sort reviews by lowest to highest. Well, you can see this book has only 3 reviews. It made $232 during the last 30 days. This book has 4 reviews and it also made over 226. This made $14 only and this made $438 and this made over 1600. So you can also hover over these products and see the covers and have an idea of if you can compete here or not. Multiple books have less than 50 reviews and they are making good money. Overall, this could be a very good niche. Spelling Workbook Grade 2. The first step is finding the potential ideas. The second step is checking the search volume to see actual demand and the third step is to see the competition here. Let me repeat this whole process with another niche. Kindergarten Math Workbook, $9.99, 180 reviews. We will be looking at its top keywords. Just scroll down, you should have this extension installed from Helium 10. Click on keywords and it will directly load this into Cerebro, and here we will seeing the top keywords or phrases that are bringing sales to this product or book. To get those top keywords, we will be introducing only a single filter, that is search volume. Minimum search volume was 1000. Apply filters and it will give you top keywords. Kindergarten Math Workbook is their top keyword. They are also running ads for that and the organic rank is 17. The second one is kindergarten math and the third one is math with confidence. This could be a branded keyword. So we will be checking the very first one, kindergarten math workbook. Once this page loads, I will run this through Helium 10 Xray. Click on Xray. So Helium 10 Xray data is here. We will go to filter and apply our other filter of Amazon, fulfillment by Amazon. Click apply. Total revenue is over 300,000. Average BSR is over 59,000 and there is only one product below 75 reviews and there are 5 products in the top 10. First of all, we will sort this by ASIN revenue. One product is making over 48,000, then 42,000, 21,000, 20,000, 20, 18, 17. A lot of books are making very good money here, but most of the revenue is going to these top 4, 5 products. It could be a bit tough niche because it has only a few products that are taking away most of the money. There are products that have lower than 50 reviews and that are making money. Like you can see, this one is kindergarten math workbook. It did make over $200 during the last 30 days and there are only 4 reviews, and this book made over $500 and it has 5 reviews. That is Disney Learning Math. This is brand term, you should avoid using that. Then is the next one. It made over $3,020 during the last 30 days. So we can see multiple products with very low number of reviews and making good money here. Based on that and based on overall the search volume, we can see that could be a good niche to try. So let's try another one. Let's see this one, print handwriting workbook for teens. It has made 120 sales. You can also see the graph here. We will be just going down and see the top terms or keyword phrases bringing sale to this exact product. Helium 10 is still loading. We will click on keywords here and get the top keywords for this product or book by running this through Helium 10 Cerebro tool. Overall 293 keywords, organic are 119 and paid are only 5. So apply the search volume filter here. Minimum search volume 1000. Apply here. Their top keyword phrase is penmanship workbook for adults. Then is handwriting practice for adults. This could be a brand name, so we will avoid this. I will be checking this one, handwriting practice for adults. So this is the main niche. We will be running this through Helium 10 Xray to see if it is good fit for us or not. So here we are, handwriting practice for adults. Apply our our filters very quick. Here Amazon, and apply filters. Sort this by ASIN. One product is making over 40,000 out of 172. The other is making 21, almost 22,000 per month, over 16,000, over 14,000, over 13,000, 7,400, 6,491. Then is 6,602. The next book is making over 5,800, 4,600, 4,200. So a lot of books are making really good monthly income under this niche of handwriting practice for adults. If we sort this by reviews from low to high, we can also see that ASIN revenue is 107. It has 0 reviews. Another book is also making over $100 per month. This only has 8 reviews. Then another has 12 reviews. Cozy Study Handwriting Workbook. It is also making over $100. It also made over $100 during the last 30 days. The next book made over $2,600 during the last 30 days, and it only has 26 reviews. The Passive Aggressive Cursive Handwriting Workbook for Adults. So we can see in this handwriting practice for adults niche, new books or books with less reviews are also making money. This could be a very good niche. So this is how I find low competition KDP niche ideas really fast using Black Box, Cerebro and Helium 10 Xray. In the first step, you find potential book ideas using these filters like fulfillment by Amazon. Title keyword should include workbook or book or anything under children's books or any other book category. Price range is 10 to 20 and the ASIN says 90 to 300. In this way you will come up with potential book ideas. Then you can open any book in the new tab. Like if you come here and open a new tab, then I go to the keywords. Just go here on any Amazon listing and you get the top keywords for that. So then you can take that keyword and go to the Helium 10 extension. Here you will apply 2 filters: hide sponsored products from results and the fulfillment by Amazon only. Then you can also customize your columns, like only select the ASIN recent purchases, ASIN sales, ASIN revenue, BSR and reviews. So in this way you can quickly analyze the first page data in terms of organic rankings, sales and reviews, and you make an informed decision to know that if you can compete here or not. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. If you do, give this thumbs up and also leave your comments down below. And if you want to try Helium 10, you can also get up to 40% off by using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.